Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have these Omni rechargeable light bulbs. I stuck one up in there. They're just regular light bulbs. They look like this here with a little sensor here for the remote. But you can see I have another, it matches my other old bulb that's in there. And watch, I'm going to do something here. I'm going to turn this lights off and watch when the lights go off, that one goes off and this one here stays on. How cool is that? It's because it runs like running off of batteries. And I can even change the color, temperature. I can change the brightness of it too. I can make it go bright. I don't know if you guys can tell I have a studio light on, but see, it still works. So this is great for like power outages, or even if you just have an outlet where someone might unplug it, or if you just don't have power somewhere, you could use these. And they're kind of cool. It comes with a little fail-safety little contraption here. So if I don't know if it's going to work just directly like this. If I take this out, and then I can plug it into like this and see, now it's just working off of that because it has a little bit of a charge in it. And I can still control it with this, the remote and whatnot, and I can turn it off. So how cool is that? So I can have a little remote bulb just floating around if I want to, but it also just works when it's plugged in. So that's what's really cool. So it can just be plugged in and then have it as an emergency. So super neat little device. I like it. I'm going to say thumbs up on this for sure.